The dormitory number 2 on Lensoveta Street is located in the Moscow district within a 10-minute walk from the nearest metro station. From here, it takes 45 minutes to get to ITMO's main building by public transport. The dormitory is of the corridor type, with rooms for 3 people each. Students have their own bed, chair, table, bedside table, and wardrobe in their room. A shared shower, toilet, kitchen, and drying rooms are located on each floor. The laundry room is on the first floor. The building has many public spaces that all residents can use, including 2 gyms, an assembly hall, study and recreation rooms, and a stylish dining hall. The dorm also has a courtyard where students can spend time outdoors. Near the building, there are many grocery stores, pickup points for online deliveries, cafes, and public transport stops.